Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Is there a license?
Yes, which one wants?
Beaver.
Beaver.
Excuse me, ma'am, make quiet. Bring him. Hello, sir. Good afternoon, sir. You dey call me for hookup? No problem, sir. Which hotel are you, sir? Which hotel, sir? Okay, I dey come, sir. How much you go pay me, sir? 500k, sir. 500k. I go bring yash now. To bring yash no be problem, sir. No wahala, sir. Hope say the 500k dey okay, sir. Okay, sir. They come. No wahala, sir. Okay, sir. Madam, excuse. I dey come. Hello, I'm coming. Hello. Yes, sir. I dey come, sir.
What's going on here?